Read each question carefully. For a multiple choice question, determine the best answer to the question from the 4 answer choices provided. For a griddable question, determine the best answer to the question. Then fill in the answer on your answer document. Number 1. Amber saved a total of $3.20 over 5 weeks. She saved the same amount of money each week. How much money did Amber save each week? Number 2. A scientist compared these two measurements. Which symbol makes this comparison true? Number 3. Emily has a box shaped like a rectangular prism that is full of sugar cubes. Each sugar cube has a volume of 1 cubic centimeter. The top layer has a width of 6 centimeters and a length of 11 centimeters. There are 3 layers of sugar cubes. How many sugar cubes are in the box? Number 4. The shaded part of the model represents a fraction. Another fraction was subtracted from the first fraction. Which expression does the model represent? Number 5. The relationship between numbers in list X and list Y follows the rule y equals x plus 2.05. Which diagram shows this relationship? List X, list Y. Number 6. A rectangular billboard is 9 3/35 meters wide and 6 82 meters tall. What is the perimeter of the billboard in meters? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. Number 7. The stem and leaf plot shows the numbers of minutes the members of a team jumped rope during practice. Practice time. Stem, leaf. What is the difference between the least number of minutes jumped and the greatest number of minutes jumped? Number 8. The math team does practice drills that each last 1/6 hour. In February, the team did practice drills for a total of 24 hours. How many practice drills did the math team do in February? Number 9. What are the coordinates of the point where the x-axis and the y-axis intersect on a coordinate plane? Number 10. The table shows the heights and masses of a male gorilla and a female gorilla at a zoo. Gorillas. Height, mass. Male, female. Based on the table, which statement is true? The combined mass of the male gorilla and the female gorilla is 253 and 782,000 kilograms. The mass of the male gorilla is 63 and 507,000 kilograms greater than the mass of the female gorilla. H, the female gorilla is 1 and 28 centimeters shorter than the male gorilla. J, the combined height of the male gorilla and the female gorilla is 2 and 28,000 meters. Number 11. Thomas planted a seed and measured the height of the stem each week for 4 weeks. The stem grew 1 inch in the first week. The stem grew 2 inches each week after the first week. Which graph represents the growth of this plant? Plant growth, week growth, inches. Number 12. Aspen added 14 to the product of 224 and 16. What is this sum? Number 13. Brenda said that the number 2 is prime because it has only 2 factors. Carla said that the number 2 is composite because it is even, and all even numbers are composite. Who is correct? A. Brenda is correct. B. Carla is correct. C. Both of them are correct. D. Neither of them is correct. Number 14. Theo earned $500 selling food at a carnival. He earned $260 selling nachos and the rest selling hot dogs for $2 each. Theo used this equation to find H, the number of hot dogs he sold at the carnival. How many hot dogs did Theo sell at the carnival? Number 15. In the diagram shown, each circle represents a group of polygons. If a polygon belongs in a circle, it also belongs in any larger circle. What kind of polygon belongs in the shaded circle? A. Trapezoids. B. Squares. C. Pentagons. D. Rhombuses. Number 16. Margaret opened a new case of light bulbs. The case contained 3 boxes of light bulbs with 8 light bulbs in each box. Margaret threw 2 of these light bulbs in the trash because they were damaged. Then she took 7 of the light bulbs out of the case. Which expression can be used to show that there are 15 light bulbs still in the case? Number 17. Mia's dog weighs 32 6/10 pounds. Letty's dog weighs 3 8/10 times as much as Mia's dog. What does Letty's dog weigh in pounds? Number 18. Mr. Avalos has 9,375,000 liters of paint. What is this number rounded to the nearest hundredth?